what's up? Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm super excited because I have a really fun video to share with you. So you guys know I work at a Sephora. So I just ended up putting out these little kits the other day, the Sephora Favorites Perfect Pout Lip Kit. And they retail for $32 and they have an $85 value, which is amazing. Like, this is gonna sell out so fast, I already know. So this is what the kit looks like, and you get 3 full-size products inside, which is awesome. So let me go ahead and read to you what all comes in this little kit. So the first one is a full size of the Charlotte Tilbury Matte Revolution Pillow Talk Medium lipstick, which that normally is like $30 in itself. So you're basically getting this whole kit for the price of like one Charlotte Tilbury lipstick, which is amazing. And then we get the Clarins Lip Comfort Oil in Pitaya. I don't know if that's how you say it, but it's a mini of the little Clarins lip oil. We get a full size of the Laneige Glowy Balm in Berry. And we also get a full size of the Kind Words lipstick from Rare Beauty in the shade Humble. And then we're getting a Tarte Maracuja Juicy Lip Plump in the shade Honeysuckle. So let's go ahead and deep dive into this. We're gonna try them all on the lips so you guys can see. We're gonna do some hand swatches. It's gonna be a fun time. So let's go ahead and get on into this. I'm so excited. Let's go ahead and start off with the ones that are like more clear, so it's easier to just wipe them off. So the first one I'm going to start off with is the Laneige Lip Glowy Balm in the Berry scent. I have the pear one that I think they discontinued, and I also have the gummy bear, which I love. So there's a little swatch on the hand. It just has a little pink tint. Super hydrating. This one kind of has like a berry, like bubblegummy scent, which I really love. So here is what it looks like on the lips. Just a nice little tint. So this is the Clarins lip oil. It has the slightest little pinky tint to it. I've never tried their lip oils before. It smells good. This one is very small, like it almost looks like it's like half full once you take the applicator out. So this one's kind of really little, but there's a tiny swatch. It pretty much looks clear, but let's try it on. I will say it feels really nice and it smells good. It kind of smells like tropical-ish. This one is good for like, I don't know, to keep in your purse or something, but I feel like I would run out of it really fast. But it's a good way to try it out. Next, let's go in with the Tarte Maracuja Juicy Lip Plump. I love these. I have the mixed berry shade, the peachy beige. I have a couple of them and I really like them. This one is in the shade Honeysuckle. And usually with these, you click them up at the end, but I guess the mini one, you just twist, which is a little bit different. And it's like kind of like a black honey shade from Clinique. I'm gonna use my mirror to put this one on so I can see what I'm doing. I love the consistency of these. They're like a nice thick balm, but they have like a minty feel since they have that plump to them, and they're just gorgeous. So I'm liking this one. Oh, I forgot to swatch it on my hand. There is a hand swatch. As you can see, this one kind of has that cherry, like dark cherry type of color, and this is it on the lips. Next, let's go ahead and give Rare Beauty a try. This one is in the shade Humble. Really cute. I love the packaging on these because you click the bottom and it brings it out, which is very unique and different. I really like it. And I've always wanted to try her lipsticks, but I haven't got around to it. So I'm excited to give this one a go. Like I said, this is in the shade Humble. So let's see. Ooh, that's really pretty. It's kind of giving the original like Pillow Talk kind of color. So let's try this one on. Okay, that one is really pretty. It's like a Your Lips but better type of shade, and it does have like a soft matte kind of vibe to it. So this is the shade Humble. Last but not least, it's time to try Pillow Talk Medium from Miss Charlotte Tilbury. Love her packaging, is like so luxe and beautiful. You just feel bougie even putting it on. So let me go ahead and do a little swatcheroo for you. Okay, this one's definitely the deepest, kind of a rosy tone. Hold up. Hold the freaking phone. Why have I never tried this? That looks so cute. I really like that. I actually wasn't expecting this one to be like my favorite out of the kit, but I think this is my favorite out of the kit because hello, I feel like that just, it looks good with my skin tone, with, I don't know, that just looks really pretty. Okay, Miss Charlotte Tilbury, this is so gorge. So this is the Charlotte Tilbury Medium Pillow Talk. Okay guys, so that pretty much completes the whole kit, and I must say I'm obsessed. If you guys get the chance to try this or find it in store, I think it's only available in store at the moment, definitely pick it up. This is such a good bang for your buck. You get to try different formulas out, which is really nice. You could even split this up and like gift them to your friends. This would be a great like Mother's Day present as well. It would be a great gift. So I really love this. I would definitely recommend it to you guys. I think a lot of these shades that come in here are very wearable and suitable for anyone, any skin tone. I'm here for it. So there's a little bit of something for everyone in this little kit. So I hope you guys enjoyed watching. Let me know down below what other videos you guys would like to see. And if you enjoy it, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe down below to my channel if you love to see beauty content, lifestyle content, all that. So that's pretty much all for today. I appreciate you guys sticking around and watching, and I will see you in my next one.